What's up guys, welcome back to my channel! So today I actually set up my studio lights that my husband got me. So the lighting should be better. Hopefully it's still freaking bright, but we're gonna figure this one out. Alright, so today we're gonna be, hey Ramy. Ramy's in here too, so if you hear any dog noises, it's the dog. We are going to be discussing my favorite makeup palettes. So I have a million bajillion makeup palettes and I've had them for years. Some of them I really like, some of them I haven't touched in years. So we're just gonna go over this stuff because I know that for a lot of people, a makeup palette is a really nice Christmas present. So you might as well get one that has great color payoff, that's, you know, in the budget, and see what's out there. So, alright, to begin, I'm just gonna go through all of them, kind of discuss, and then at the end of the video, I will give you like my top 3 that will be really good for like a beginner, intermediate, and an advanced makeup person. Alright, so first one, this is the Tartelette Toasted palette. It's really nice. It's a neutral palette. There is a little bit of shimmer in it. I really like this one. Next one, the Anastasia M Resi palette. I've used this in a couple of videos. This one's one of my favorites as well. This one would probably be more of a like intermediate to advanced because there's a lot of shimmer. The colors are more intense. Like you're not gonna have like, I mean, you can make a like a light smoky eye, but this would probably be more intermediate to advanced. Then I have my beautiful Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette that I got in his mystery box, which I highly recommend. If you have the money to do it, get one. This one's definitely more for advanced. As you can see, it has more purples on it and there is some shiny colors and some sparkles and stuff like that as well. I do really love this black color. I used it for Halloween. It is black with purple shimmer in it and you can actually see the purple shimmer, so I like that one, definitely advanced. Moving into this one. Now this is the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I've used this once. I paid 15 bucks for it. I would not buy this again. So this one's okay. I don't think the colors are as amazing as Jeffree Star's original palettes. So if you're gonna buy something Jeffree Star, get his own brand, not a like collaboration, because his own stuff is phenomenal. This one, I was disappointed with this one. Next one. Ooh, love this one. Just Peachy from Too Faced. This one is going to be all mattes, and it's really easy to use, totally beginner friendly. Highly recommend this one for a beginner Christmas present. And it smells like peaches, so you can't really read it. Alright, next one. Holy shit, I have so many. James Charles, Morphe. This one, okay, it's super colorful. I don't really do colorful looks, but if you know someone that did, it'd be a great little palette. It's pretty, I think it's like 40 bucks or something like that, so it's not too expensive. But it's I don't really care for it that much. It's not, it doesn't blow my mind. Okay. Ramy, no. Alright, next one. Ooh, Anastasia Modern Renaissance. Such a favorite. Really good for beginner. There's really good tones. Beginner, intermediate. Really good tones in there. The color payoff is fantastic. So Anastasia has really good palettes too. So the M Resi one is Anastasia too. So really like that one as well. I would rebuy that one. This isn't an eyeshadow palette, but this is the Kat Von D Shade Delight little contour. Really love this. This one is really nice. I would definitely rebuy that when I'm almost out of it. Hey! Alright, next one. Morphe. This is the Warm palette. This one from Morphe I would definitely rebuy. It's like 25 bucks and you get all these colors with it. So I really do enjoy this one, so I would highly recommend that one. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. There's so many colors. You can do a lot of great stuff with it. Alright, next one. Ooh! Also, not an eyeshadow palette, but it's a face one. The Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. Really like it. There's some shimmer, there's some mattes. It's good. It's not too, I haven't used it a lot, but I also have so many eyeshadow palettes that sometimes they just get lost. But yeah, like this one a lot. Real nice. I think you get it at Sephora or Ulta. Oh my god, there's more. Alright, this one is the Happy Hour 15H. Honestly, I've used this twice. I do like the colors. I just have so many palettes that I need to like condense some. But yeah, this one's nice, and I think this one's only like 15 bucks. So this one is really nice as well. Oh, this one I made from MAC. Love, you can make your own at MAC. The eyeshadows are 6 bucks to put in here. And MAC is amazing. So yeah, I have multiple that I've made literally since I was in like 8th grade. Like this one I've had since I was in 7th grade, and I built it, and I was like, oh my god. So that would be like a fun thing to do for like your wife, girlfriend, your daughter, is to kind of like build a palette with them. You can get them just in like the little 4 squares. That might be like a little fun experience to do. All right, there's all those 3. Then, oh my god. Oh, this one's a great one. This is a MAC. This is a holiday edition one. This one's gonna be the Burgundy Times. It's an there's 9 eyeshadows in here, 3x3. I think this one was 50 bucks. I like this one, but I wouldn't re-buy this one because I only use like 2 or 3 colors in there. I would rather go make my own, which I did, so yeah. All right, next one, Smoke Sessions. Really fun by Melt Cosmetics. Colors are freaking beautiful, but totally advanced because look at these, crazy. But they're really fun though, so that would be something out of the box. This is not your everyday eyeshadow palette. Alright, next one. Holy chrysanthemum. Alright, Aurora, Anastasia. I got this at Marshall's, I believe. These are crazy highlighter colors. They're really pretty though, but I would not recommend that for a beginner because they are very up in your face. But this one, I would recommend for a beginner. This is the Glow Kit from Anastasia. Absolutely gorgeous. Really easy to put on. They go with everything. And you can also use them as like some eyeshadow and stuff like that. Little highlighter action, little bronzer action. But yeah, really, really nice. Alright, that is pretty much everything. I mean, I have some eyelashes in here, but we don't need to do that. Alright, now for the top 3 eyeshadow palettes. I would definitely pick the Just Peachy by Too Faced. The reason being is that they're all matte, so they're not too intense when you put them on your eyes. And you can make like a little smoky eye, like you can do a lot with this palette. And it's not intimidating. So, recommend that one, Sephora or Ulta. The next one that I would do for beginners would probably, or no, that one's gonna be for beginners. Now we'll go intermediate. Let me grab this. Okay, intermediate, Amrezi palette, 100%. This thing is beautiful. You got a little blue in there, some pink tones, and lots of shimmers to play with. And you can, what I like with this palette is that you can mix and match the shimmers. So like if I wanted to do a brown smoky eye, you could do blue in there. You could put pink in there. You got a lot to work with. And this color, this Anastasia color, holy shit, amazing. So really like this. Intermediate, could be advanced. And then for advanced palette, that's kind of fun. If we want to go, let's see. If we want to go not your neutral path, I would go with, I think the Melt Cosmetics is really fun. Totally different colors to work with. They're not going to be your normal browns and oranges and pinks. Literally green and blue, and then it has like this more of like an olivey tone, which I really like that as well. So yeah, that would be kind of like my top 3 eyeshadow picks for Christmas, eyeshadow palette picks for Christmas. So for beginner, the Just Peachy palette, because it's really easy to work with, it's not intimidating, and it smells like peaches. Alright, second one for intermediate, advanced, either or, the Amrezi palette. You can see it has a lot of love. But yeah, really love this one. I think you can get it at Sephora or Ulta, whichever one of those. And really great color quality, and the color payoff, amazing. And the last one, Smoke Sessions, Melt Cosmetics. Love the color payoff on that. And when I say that, I mean that when you swipe it, when you swatch it, you only need to do it once and you can see the color pigmentation. You're not scraping at your eyeshadow palette, which you don't want to do because then the product goes quicker. So, love that one as well. I believe this one was $49 at Sephora. And I'm just getting into Melt Cosmetics. I really like this palette. So yeah, that is going to be my messy eyeshadow palette for Christmas, for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.